Hi everyone, this is Pratesh with Kaizen Crypto doing a closeout video for our Fund11 project. The name of the project is Kaizen Crypto Custom Cardano NFT Jewelry, Verifiable Ownership of Real World Assets, and the project ID is 1100179. So this was our Fund11 project that got funded, and we submitted a proposal to create these pieces of jewelry, so these rings, out of high quality material, white gold, 18 karat, Ceylon blue sapphires, and we wanted to incorporate that and use a blockchain element to verify the ownership and the authenticity. So what we did was we submitted this idea for the community to vote, and we were able to successfully complete this project. So to go into it, I wanted to discuss the deliverables which we had come out with this proposal, and also some of the key takeaways and learnings throughout the entire process. So we have successfully created 10 of these rings. You can check these rings out at cardanofinejewelry.com. So not only did we create the rings, but we also created a web store as well. And the cool thing with this web store is that you'll be able to actually purchase these rings using ADA. So we thought that was a nice touch as well. And what we wanted to do is create this concept of a high quality luxury item. You know, you see so many different high quality goods being faked nowadays. If you think about these big brands like Rolex or Gucci, Louis Vuitton. So we were like, how can we create some type of a pilot, so to speak, to incorporate these high-end luxury goods with the blockchain aspect and basically make it where it's hard to counterfeit, because you have a verifiable token which you can say this is actually a legitimate item, and the owner of this token can then be able to transfer it, or whoever owns that item would be able to physically have that item as well as the digital representation, so it's also proof of ownership. So we did that. We created the rings. We were able to go to Sri Lanka and partner with Raja Jewelers. They were great. They were tremendous in this entire process. They helped us design the rings. They sourced the gemstones. Sri Lanka is world famous for their sapphires and the quality of the gemstones, as well as the 18 karat white gold. So all the requirements that we had for this project, they were able to help us through from A to Z. And they also created the certificate of authenticity. So we were able to create the 10 rings. I'll go ahead and leave some screenshots here so you can check them out, and just to show as well that all 10 rings were completed. And then the certificate as well, so you have an idea of what that's supposed to look like. And then the next side to that was we wanted to create the NFT. So a big shout out to Endmaker as well for partnering with us to create the NFT. We were able to also then create an NFC card, which would then link to the NFT, which incorporates the professional quality pictures, and it also includes pictures of the certificate of authenticity. So you have the physical item with the ring and the certificate, but then you also have the digital NFT, which incorporates that as well. So you have the proof of ownership and the proof of authenticity. So that was our deliverables for this proposal. And then some of the key learnings and takeaways, just to go ahead and wrap up this quick closeout video, is that it's quite a process to make high-end luxury items, which is why they cost so much. So it was a good learning opportunity for our team, because we got to understand the process better of what it actually takes to design, to create, to source the materials, to then reach out to the potential audience that you have and be able to actually sell these items. So it's quite a big process, and then marketing as well. So that was a good learning opportunity. We did also learn that during this time which we submitted this proposal, the ADA price was quite low. As of recently recording this video, ADA has definitely shot up in value, so that's definitely helped the overall sentiment of the market. But creating such a high dollar value item during that time, we did see a little bit of a lull in the interest. So I think that going forward, what we might want to do is market to a broader audience and have a item with a more of a medium price point as opposed to like a high dollar value item to start. So that's just something we learned. Maybe something we could do is something simple like cufflinks, or something small for men and women, unisex. I think that would be a great thing to do as well in the future. But as far as what we've did for this project, that's pretty much it. We've got the 10 rings all completed. We've got the website up and running, so people are able to check them out. We can sell the rings via the website as well. Buyers can purchase by paying with crypto, credit cards, so there's a bunch of different payment methods as well. But that is what I have for this closeout video, everybody. We are going to be submitting several proposals as well for Fund13, so definitely be sure to check us out. Of course, we appreciate the community's support. Without your help, none of this would be possible. So thank you all so much for voting for us in Project Catalyst. It really does mean the world to us. Definitely be sure to check out our proposals by searching KAIZN Crypto in the Catalyst voting app and give us a thumbs up for future proposals. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.